Good morning, guys. This is ASMR Noir and so on. I just woke up and I took a little trip to the mailboxes and I got a package. Ta-da. And I have a pretty good idea what it is, and I still haven't bought anything strange, so well, sorry, I'm so tired. Alright, so this is a Funkopop, I presume, and which one will be described in the description, so for you it won't be a surprise. But I have a pretty good idea what it is, because I think I only ordered one recently. So, with no further ado, shall we open this one up? Some crinkly tape sounds. Yes, I was correct. At least I think so. Yes, I am correct. This is my good friend Jessica Rochgobble ASMR. No, wait. It is actually Jessica Rabbit. So it could have been Jessica Rochgobble Rabbit. And for those youngsters who doesn't know, she comes from the movie Who Framed Roger Rabbit, which was a cool movie in the 80s, kind of, where they mixed animations with live action persons. Oh. And Jessica Rabbit was played by Kathleen Turner. And there's a series, of course. And as you can see, you can buy Jessica Rabbit, Roger Rabbit, which is a bunny, and Smarty Weasel, which is a henchman of the evil Judge Doom, who was played by Christopher Lloyd from Back to the Future, among other things, Taxi and stuff. Okay. So yeah, this is, the movie was from 1987, I see here. So this is Jessica Rabbit, the hottest drawn girl ever. Okay, let's open her up. Has to smell the box. And I have a feeling I will really love this one. I'm a sucker for 80s movies, and I loved Who Framed Roger Rabbit. There's no extra lull in the box, just a plain box. So that leaves us with Jessica herself. I love the crinkly sounds this make. So off with the top. Now that's the first one. She actually fell out of the box. So here we have her. Those sultry lips, this possum, the little butt, oh, makes my heart go boopity boom. No, but this is Jessica Rabbit from the movie Who Framed Roger Rabbit, and it's not a bubble lad, as you can see. It is a plain figure, and yeah, she looks really awesome. I like her a lot. She will go perfectly in the collection. What do you mean collection? I mean you will go in my shelf. No. I'm not a bad girl, I'm just drawn that way. It was live from the movie, by the way. So, see, let's tap on it a little bit. Okay, now let's do what I always do, try to put her back without anyone noticed that she was out. I think I'm an expert at this right now. And of course you should never say that, because that's when it starts to get problematic. Oh, I got it. There we go. Funkopop, Jessica Rabbit from Who Framed Roger Rabbit. And this was just a little short unboxing video because I'm tired. I just came from the walk with the dogs. I'm going to have breakfast. So yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.